Hi, it's Carl from Kimberley IT. Try this now. How to control the apps that start when Windows first logs in. I often have people telling me, my computer's gone slow, how do I speed it up? Well, one thing you can do in Windows is control which apps run on startup in Windows. And here's how you do it. Go down to the taskbar, right click, choose Task Manager. Then choose the Startup tab, and now you can see all the apps that are running on Windows when it starts up. Some of these you won't want to have running in the background because simply they're not helping you in any way. And you can change those by right clicking on them and choosing Enable there to switch them on and Disable to switch them off. And as you can see here, I've got quite a lot of these switched off and disabled because they're not required for me to use them automatically when I first log into Windows. If I want to use those apps, I'll run them when I choose to run them. If you go into this and disable the ones that you don't need, you will find your computer will start up quicker and it will use less memory and less CPU cycles, which will eventually return you a faster performance in your computer. And this is a simple thing that you can do yourself at any time.